Hello, hello. Welcome to the AI Career Accelerator course. Today we are going to be covering your future in AI. Super excited to be here. And so basically, we're going to be going over the core benefits of artificial intelligence and how it's going to help you to really take that next step in your career. So, you're going to get some major insights and value while you're here today. So, welcome in. Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know. Comment down in the chat below and let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Thanks so much for being here and welcome into the AI Career Accelerator course. Super excited to be here because, as you guys already know, the future is artificial intelligence. The future is here. And in honor of the future, you guys, this has to be done. We're going to actually enjoy this entire stream with the latest technology. So we have some comments in here, guys. Welcome in, UX with Jack from Mobile, Alabama. Welcome, welcome. We have Mark from Chicago. Welcome in. Okay, Admas, hello, hello, Las Vegas. Hey, welcome in, Las Vegas. Mark from Virginia. Okay, welcome, you guys. So happy that you're here. Welcome in, everyone. Okay. Living in Brazil. Okay, very cool. Welcome in, everyone from all over the world. I'm excited to really show you guys what your path is going to be with artificial intelligence. So we have Jersey City. Welcome in, Jersey City. Welcome in, ATL. Let's go. Welcome in, everybody. Hello, hello. Keep it coming. Another one from Virginia. Welcome, Devin. All right, you guys. Very, very cool. Okay, so we're going to make sure that you guys can, get to enjoying your beautiful Wednesday. And so we're going to be covering some really exciting career path solutions and options for you guys with artificial intelligence. All right, St. Paul in the house. Welcome, welcome. So glad that you guys are here today. Okay, UX with Jack says, I use ChatGPT every single day now. All right, I love to hear that, you guys. As long as you're using the tools, you guys are going to be in a position to win. So we're going to show you guys how to dominate in the tech industry. So if you're here, if you're curious about getting into tech, or if you're interested in really learning the next steps to take, if you're already kind of interested in a particular path, we're going to help you. So hey, Robert, what's up? Welcome in, guys. It's such a pleasure to have you here. So we're going to be covering some really, really exciting topics today. Without further ado, welcome to the future. Okay, let's plug in. Let's plug in, you guys. All right, and with that, we'll start the intro. As you may already know, my name is Ash. I am a AI specialist and also the startup founder of two AI-driven startups. Number one being a Better Boost, which is a wearable technology startup, and number two being Ashura AI. Speaks for itself. It's a AI solutions agency. So if you're interested in getting solutions not only for career path, but also for your business as well, to be able to streamline, optimize your workflows, and at the bottom line, save costs. Okay. And of course, maximize productivity. So we're going to be getting all of those ROIs, and you're going to be learning how to get the most out of an AI career. So I love to see your engagement and comments. So you guys just keep it coming. If you have any questions, feel free to tap in. Looking forward to hearing from you guys. Or if you have, any questions throughout the entire presentation, feel free to tap in. Okie dokie, you guys. Let's go ahead and get started here. Again, let's go ahead and kick it off with a introduction and welcome everybody to the AI Career Accelerator course. This is about your future in artificial intelligence. So you're going to be positioned and prepared for the future, which is now. Okay, so as you guys can already see, we're going to be exploring the transformative power across different industries. Okay, we're going to be learning all essential skills to get you a personalized roadmap. Okay, everyone's different for these high growth AI roles. Okay, so we're going to be unlocking your potential for the future of work. So welcome in. Everyone here is an innovator, a change maker, and we're glad to have you here today. We're going to make the most of your time because we're providing you with some really, really great value. Okay, so you guys are all here because you're winners. Okay, you're here because you're being positioned to win. And so again, we're going to make sure that we articulate what we're going to be giving you guys in this course. So you're going to be equipped with, of course, the optimal success for high growing jobs on this market. Okay, so if you're interested in getting an AI and you don't know where to go, don't worry, we're going to point you in the right direction. So these are going to be explosive roles that are going to be guaranteed to grow. So you can really look forward to that across industries. So you can really focus on what you're passionate about. There's so many options with artificial intelligence. So welcome in, everyone. And without further ado, let's get into the AI job market that's set up for explosive growth. All right, we're starting off with market projection. So let's start off with the stats. Okay, these are the facts. As you guys can see, the global AI market is expected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030, okay? And that's by a 38.1 CAGR. So that means that we're going to be expecting explosive growth in the AI market. We're going to be having explosive different job roles. And that means there's so much opportunity on the table for you, okay? Also, second, we see job growth. Well, of course, we're expecting AI-related jobs to grow 31% annually, okay? And this is kind of something that's not even the highest potential, because obviously there's new AI opportunities each and every day as it continues to evolve and become more complex. And last but not least, we have executive investment. Okay, so you guys need to know this. 90% of top executives are investing or planning in investing in AI. And that means that you yourself as an individual could also invest in AI and become the ultimate asset to any organization and team, because you're bringing these skills to the table, these high demand skills. Okay, we got somebody in from Bogota, Colombia. Welcome. Okay, love that. WooTV, thank you so much for being here. He says, missed the election, but ain't missed this though. You know what? Honored to have everybody's time today. We're going to make sure that's worth your while. So let's go ahead and get into the course overview. Okay, we want to make sure that you understand what you're going to get here. Of course, you're going to get the fundamentals. You're going to learn all the essential AI concepts and technologies. You're going to be getting a little bit of hands-on experience. We're going to show you the way, okay? And so you're going to gain practical skills with AI tools. And also, last but not least, we're looking at career guidance. So you're not going to be lost in the sauce here. You're going to know exactly where to go, and you're going to know exactly what's going to bring you the most success. Okay, so let's start off with the basics, okay? Let's start off with what is artificial intelligence. Like, has anyone actually defined this in the market? Because, you know, artificial intelligence is changing each and every day. So this is the official definition. So we're looking at starting with machine intelligence. So that essentially, that's an AI that allows computers to simulate human intelligence and learning. Speaks for itself. We also have data-driven learning, which is, of course, machine learning that enables systems to improve over time using data. Data is key. Data is power. Transitioning into compute. However, the last subject here and essential part of AI is transformative technology. So this is AI that is changing how we work, solve problems, and innovate. So welcome here, everyone who's an innovator, and we're going to be showing you exactly how you can win as far as AI's impact across different industries. So whether you maybe aren't starting off with tech, then there's so many options here for you to be able to get into different sectors or industries. So we have healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. So of course, in healthcare, we're looking at really AI reducing diagnostic errors by 30%. So that means that we can look forward to a healthier, happier future. And you can contribute to that by leveraging different solutions with artificial intelligence and learning about these tools. Also, in finance, of course, we're looking at how AI drives algorithmic trading and also fraud detection. So security is key. We got cybersecurity, et cetera, et cetera. We know how important that is. So you could also be contributing to that. And also, last but not least, manufacturing, one amongst many, where essentially AI is enabling automation that's going to boost efficiency by at least 25%. So there's so much opportunity out here, and you guys can definitely seize it. So the AI job market, let's get into that, okay? So as you guys already know, we're looking at an increase of 74% of AI job openings year over year, okay? And these are not even the most kind of ambitious, really quantitative, I guess, solutions that they've put out for these numbers of growth, but it's only going to get larger, you guys. Opportunity is going to get larger out here. And so when we're getting into salaries, there's so much opportunity because AI is also going to allow you to grow your salary up to 20 to 30% faster than in other fields. So much opportunity within tech, and to also grow and evolve in tech itself. And so again, last but not least, we're really learning how you can acquire AI skills to future-proof your careers. So these aren't skills that you're going to be learning today that you're just going to kind of take at a surface level. These are real life things that you can apply in your day-to-day. So we're going to be offering as much value as possible. So welcome in, everybody. If you have any questions, feel free to post it. So let's get into it. What are your AI career paths? So we discussed a few of these, but we really have machine learning engineers. And so this is really focusing on, of course, the data, building and optimizing AI models and algorithms. If the data is something that excites you, then you should pursue that. But you also have options, for example, if you're not too good at the numbers or the quantitative aspect. So if you're better at the qualitative things, then that's also an option for you. We also have data scientists. So it speaks for itself, right? We're really extracting insights from massive data sets using AI. In particular, this is really, really helpful in the medical industry. So if you're interested in that, that's definitely an option for you. Or healthcare. So really learning how we can contribute to build a better, brighter, healthier future. And so last but not least, we have AI product manager. And so if you're really interested in, of course, like building innovative products, which there are so many organizations out there, and even you yourself, are out there as business owners or creators or influencers that can also build different products. So this is basically just really focusing on leading AI development and really integrating those strategies. So we're going to get into all the many different options for you, but we want to make sure that you understand the core essentials. So we mentioned if you guys aren't like too good at the quantitative aspect, we have natural language processing that's working with NLPs. Also, a part of that is LLMs, also known as large language models. So essentially, this is a specialty of generative AI. So for example, OpenAI, ChatGPT, that is a large language model system. And of course, there are others, Gemini, Claude, et cetera, et cetera. So essentially, to conclude here, we're looking at NLPs being first and foremost consisting of language understanding. So NLP teaches machines to comprehend and generate human language. As we discussed, building chatbot systems, communicating with AI, et cetera, et cetera. There are many opportunities on the table here. So this is in really high demand because, of course, everyone's looking at generative AI as the future. So many opportunities. So this is, of course, going to really require you to become an NLP expert. And there's so many different industries that you can enter into with NLPs as well. There's literally no limit to it. And last but not least, we have the applications of it. So like we discussed, chatbot system, translation services, and also sentiment analysis using NLP. So this is really encompassing the different applications of how NLPs can be used. So again, many different ways that we can build upon these systems by leveraging a core basis level of the knowledge of AI. So reinforcement learning. Okay, we're getting into the essentials here, what you're going to be learning. If you're interested in getting into an AI course, y'all gonna already know about these concepts. You're going to be a step ahead. Okay, so reinforcement learning, of course, starting off with learning processes. This is where agents learn through interaction and environments. So like if you're interested in robotics, that's also an option. People are out here literally building robots. So that could be also something that's interested to you. Also, applications of this is going to be, of course, as we discussed, robotics, gaming, AIs, and also autonomous systems. And third, we also have career prospects. So of course, you already know this is in major demand for reinforcement learning specialists. So let's go ahead and check in. We see Desmond from Memphis. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to the party, guys. Welcome to the future. We're already here. We're in the future right now. And so we're getting into computer vision. Of course, this is going to encompass image recognition. So number one, it's basically how AI interprets visual data from images and video. Speaks for itself. Object detection, identifying and really locating specific objects within images. So this is also very helpful in a generative AI aspect or with robotics, if that's what interests you. And facial recognition, okay? That's super, super huge in certain contexts. And so this basically speaks for itself, analyzing your facial features for identification and emotion detection. So these are different systems that you can be building upon. So we're getting into kind of the main core of what you guys should expect for careers. So of course, at the basic level, this is going to be machine learning engineers. Okay, this is an essential concept of building robotics and leveraging AI. So you're going to need to know model creation, of course. So, building and deploying machine learning models, leveraging Python and TensorFlow. Keep an eye out because Python is essential to know. There are many computer programming languages, but with Python, it's probably the most advanced and the most applicable. So you can build almost anything on Python. So if you know those core skills, you'll be good. Take a note of that. Second, of course, algorithm optimization. We're going to be improving performance of AI systems through continuous, of course, refinement. And last but not least, tool mastery. You're going to need to know Python, like we discussed, TensorFlow, and also there are a few other options that you have as well. So most definitely having many options here. If any of these pique your interest, take note of this, because then we're going to learn how to pivot and what the next steps are going to be for you. So we're presenting all the opportunities that you have. So with data scientists, we're looking at, of course, you guys already understand this: data analysis, AI algorithm application, tool proficiency, et cetera, et cetera. So speaks for itself. If that interests you, then it's definitely an option. All right, let's get into the essential tools and technologies. These are things that you're going to need to know, so be familiar with it. We're starting off with the all-encompassing Python. You're going to need to know it. It's the foundation of all AI programming. Also, TensorFlow, you've all heard about it. It's leading frameworks for building AI models. Also, Creas, we're looking at user-friendly APIs, also known as application programming interfaces, for fast prototyping. And so this is essential when it comes to building advanced technologies. And last but not least, SQL, essential for managing and querying databases. As we already know, data is essential here. So, okay, somebody says here in the comments, serious, woke up in serious. It said, can't even lie. The shades, thank you, complimenting the shades. I appreciate it. These are the latest technology. This is the latest technology. You guys are probably already seeing the Orion glasses, and so you guys are getting the first look. No one's even seeing these glasses, besides the people who are here in this chat today. And of course, if you're going to be joining in, you're going to have the first look at this. But essentially, it's revolutionizing the way that you experience the big screen. So for example, it's going to empower you to be able to work on the go, to game on the go if you're into that, and get entertainment on the go. Also, what I'm basically seeing right now, to give you guys a view, it's just a 120-inch high-def screen that I'm looking at. Screen completely blacked out, so I can 100% focus on privacy and just, be able to present this presentation to you guys today with the highest quality and visual acuity. So thank you so much. This will be on the market, you guys. Orion's glasses, as you guys already know, are a prototype. It's not even available yet. And also the price point of that, guess what it would be? Around $25,000, which is crazy. So these Nova X glasses are going to be affordable for everyone. Our goal is to create products that are engineered to empower you in your day-to-day. Okay, so thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for the compliment. I really appreciate that. So thank you guys. I appreciate your support. All right, if you guys would like the glasses, let me know down in the chat, because you guys can get the first access to it. So welcome, you guys. Welcome to the future, and welcome to exclusive access. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's continue to make sure we get you this value this afternoon. All right. So we're looking at automation tools for AI. Okay, this is like quality assurance engineers, which is also something that you guys need to know as far as the fundamentals and the core building principles. So Selenium is one tool for QA engineering. It's going to automate, of course, it's a lot of automation with application testing. This is going to reduce manual effort. Okay, the future is going to be automated. So you can really focus on that with robotics. You can focus on that with almost any area of our workflows. We're looking at, of course, consistency as a quality here. It's going to ensure that all AI models work across different systems, and efficiency. So consistency and efficiency. So this is going to really help you to streamline test products for AI applications. Okay, and you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, I'm overloaded with all of these roles. And so, we're not going to cover too much into this mini Python coding exercise, but whenever you guys do start your Python coding exercises, I want to make sure that you guys are ready. Okay, so you guys are going to be fully prepared. You guys are going to know that you're going to start off with the setup process, so importing necessary libraries. Then you're going to get into data prep. Then you're going to, of course, create your models. And last but not least, you're going to evaluate and test those models for performance. And so then you're going to be able to optimize every single part of that process and build innovative products for yourself, businesses, or for organizations. So let's get into the hands-on learning aspect. I wanted to cover Python because, of course, it's very, very hands-on. So to give you guys a bit of idea of where I started off with AI, so you guys may be like, okay, this is interesting, but I started off in generative AI. So I was kind of passionate when ChatGPT like first came out and AI was just getting on the scene. I started off with AI art. So I was prompting and creating this like different types of AI art, whatever I could envision. And it was just kind of like a creative process for me. And so through generative AI, kind of pursuing my passions with that, I was gaining the skill. And so then I had the opportunity to also, you guys may know this, you guys may not, but here it goes, PwC, also known as PricewaterhouseCoopers. I work for them. They're essentially a big four accounting and finance firm. And so I essentially was a senior associate there, and they actually invested $2.4 billion into their workforce to train for AI. So I was kind of having this passion in like building art while also gaining training at the same time, which is why you guys need to make sure that you optimize and leverage all opportunities on the table. A lot of companies and organizations that you're already a part of, they may have different courses that you can take or different workshops, et cetera, that you can have access to for free. So, ask about it. Ask the question. That's all it takes, but definitely take advantage. Essentially, I use those skills to then transition into an AI role itself. And then now I'm building chatbot systems. So focusing on LLMs, generative AI. That's my specialty and secret sauce. So if you guys kind of really pinpoint a role that you're most interested in, but you don't really know where to pivot, we're going to be covering your next steps. But also, you guys can be free to hit me up. You can call me. You can schedule a meeting with me. It should be in the link below. If you're interested in scheduling a one-on-one, we could definitely do that and kind of discuss, as a professional consultation on which area you can go. And we'll provide a not only personalized, but an expert career plan for you. So, okay, we have some comments here. Thank you. Thank you guys for all of your comments. So, okay. Admas, welcome. I said, that's what I do. Automation. That's so cool. What type of automation do you do? Tell us. Is it robotics? Is it systems? Let me know. Robert says, you're really passionate about technology. Did you start in AI? I apologize for the question way off. No, I love the questions. Keep the questions coming, please. I would love to answer your questions. And thank you so much for the comment of good subject. So yeah, just to kind of maybe double back a little bit to answer the question, I actually started, okay, this is where I began. I started off, essentially, I got my master's from Purdue University in human resource management. And so after I graduated, I went directly kind of into HR, like sales. So basically, I was making commission off of each candidate placement. I started off with placing like high-level CFOs, CTOs, CEOs, et cetera, in accounting and finance. And that really allowed me to gain the skill sets of like selling. And so selling, of course, is a very valuable skill. I learned that kind of in like a recruitment context, which was a bit unique. And so then kind of used that skill set to really transition into the corporate world where I got into PwC. Okay, we got some questions coming in. Okay, great. So QA automation, very cool, Admas. That's so cool. Both BE and FE, super cool. Okay, Desmond says, how do you apply for the class? Is it one class? Is it our class that we offer or like a different class? Please specify. Let me know. I'm happy to answer your question. Okay, thank you so much, Miret. I hope I'm saying that right. Something with cybersecurity. If you're interested in that, that's super, super cool. Cybersecurity is a great choice because guess what? That job is always going to be in demand. There's always going to be, risk for security. So, okay, guys, to kind of summarize this, we're looking at hands-on learning that you guys are already going to know that you're going to need. So coding exercises and also project-based learning. And I want to emphasize this because when you're getting on the job market, these employers are going to be looking for your project portfolio. So you're going to be able to really show off your skills with AI, and they want to be able to see that. They want to be able to see how you've applied building solutions for different businesses for yourself, et cetera, et cetera. So the hands-on experience is pretty important. Let's get into building your AI portfolio. Okay, so you guys are going to be already ready. So you're going to need to, of course, encompass, as we've already discussed, different coding projects, really showcasing how you work with different AI algorithms or machine learning models. This is all encompassing and tying back together data analysis, demonstrating ability to extract insights from complex data sets, AI models, as you guys already know, displaying practical applications of AI in solving real-world problems. So, okay. Okay, thank you, Desmond, for clarifying. So this class, we do have different opportunities for you guys as far as classes that you can sign up for ASAP. So at the end of the presentation, I'm going to send a personal link. So if you want to link up for the special link for the specific course that we have coming up, hit me up or hit Cyrus up. we have some great opportunities for you guys, for courses for you guys to take. So we don't want to give away the sauce just yet. We want to keep the best stuff secret. So this is going to be something next level. This is going to give you guys that hands-on experience and first access to gain AI skills, also in the most lucrative possible position. So you're going to be positioned to win automatically. So, okay, Sam, thank you. Welcome in. He says, currently working in RPA and AI agents in Copilot Studio. That is so cool. He says, you're dropping gems here, shouty. Thanks. Sirius said, could a associate's degree in computer science be a good background for this path in tech? Absolutely. You already have that baseline of computer science. Yeah, go ahead and use that. And so what's really important is understanding the principles. And so it's kind of like when you're building, you have to have that base. And so that's going to be really important, especially when you're learning AI skills. So if you already have that, that's great. You're already one step in. And so now you're ready to take those next steps. Trey says, yo. Welcome in, everybody. Thanks for being here. Okay, so let's continue on. You guys are gaining some great sauce here. So on the AI job market, you guys already know the job market growth. So, I just wanted to put it here because we have to remind y'all that there's so much opportunity here for y'all to seize. As y'all already know, we're looking at over 30% CAGR. We're looking at obviously 31% increase of job growth annually. And of course, we're looking at 90% of all investment, or all different executives leveraging and using and investing in AI. So if you're not already on that path, investing in AI, using AI, or getting into an AI career job, then that's why we're here, to make the pivot. So this is one of the highest earning career potentials. And so this is a gem that I wanted to drop because there's so many different job roles in the market. But there are a lot of people who come to me and they're like, you know what? I have to be real. I'm money motivated. So if you're money motivated, if you're passionate about a certain industry, we've already discussed your options. If you're money motivated, listen up, because this is for you, because this is the most lucrative AI career that you could possibly take. So we're going to be exploring this high growing demand for sales professionals in the AI industry. We already discussed how sales is an essential skill. So we're going to get into how AI tech sales is going to offer you not only lucrative career opportunities to really sell complex AI driven products, but also solutions to businesses. All right. And so you're going to be able to make commission. You're going to be able to make the big bucks. All right. So let's get into it. The booming AI tech sales job market. As you guys can see here, this is kind of the layout of the land. It first started off in, 2022 with the job AI market of being 1.36 billion, like a cool 1.36 billion. All right, we're fast forwarding into, 2023 to 2029, and we're looking at, of course, the statistics that we already covered, with 60% growth in AI sales job openings year over year. Over 50%, 60%. Yes. And last but not least, we're looking into the future at 2030, projected for the job market growth being about a valuation of $1.8 trillion. So if you guys are here for your bag, then listen up. All right, essential skills you're going to need for AI tech sales. You're going to need AI knowledge, duh. You're going to need sales skills, obvi, and you're going to need consultative selling, clearly. So with AI knowledge, we're looking into understanding AI products and solutions. You guys already know that. For AI skills, it's going to be important to build relationships and close high ticket offers. Also, last but not least, we're looking at consultative selling. This is also an option for you guys. This is going to help clients to understand AI benefits for their business. So there's many facets that you can follow, many opportunities, many ways for you to win. Also, we're looking into really personalized career path plans, okay? So what you guys can look forward to is tailored guidance. And so you're going to get step-by-step roadmap to enter AI tech sales. You're going to get, of course, skills development. So we're going to focus on areas that are crucial for your success. And we're going to fast track your career. Everything is moving at an accelerated path. You already know that. The future's here. It's now. So you're going to need a fast track career plan to accelerate your journey into high earning potential. All right, so listen up. For all of you business owners and all of you influencers out there, this is for you on how you can unlock innovation. We wanted to make sure that we covered everybody and provided everybody with optimal solutions on how they can integrate AI. We have a great question here in the chat. Kendrick says, how does AI play a role in agile? So like different different computer programming environments? That's a really great question. I say that's a question for Chat GPT because I don't truly know at this time. But nonetheless, a great question on specifically knowing how AI applies to different computer programming languages and being able to apply those in its different contexts. So great note, and thank you so much. Keep the comments coming, you guys. If you have anything that comes to mind, let me know. All right, so basically for you entrepreneurs and creators, you're going to learn how you can transform all of your creative pursuits and fields with business innovation. And also we're going to explore the tools, of course, and applications. And we're going to be getting into the ethical considerations as an artist or entrepreneur. So ethics are very important. We want to make sure that we cover those. So AI for entrepreneurs, for all you business owners out there. All right. Now we're gonna make sure it's straight now. All right, so AI for entrepreneurs. We're looking at driving business innovation. So we're getting into AI chatbots as we previously discussed. We're getting into personalized marketing and data analytics. So when we're getting some chatbots, you guys already know we're looking at customer service. This is huge. So you can automate customer service, and that's going to really, really enhance your bottom line. You're also going to be able to use AI-driven recommendations for targeted campaigns when it comes to marketing. And also, of course, when it comes to the analytics, you're going to be able to make really informed strategic business decisions with AI insights. So you're really set up to win. So welcome to all the winners, because everyone's here to win. Okay, so we have some comments here. Sam says responsible AI. Responsible AI. I agree. Yes. Let's all give a responsible AI, because that's very important. We're going to be covering the ethics. Thank you for that. It's very important. Nathaniel says, please send the recording. Okay, noted. Got you. Thank you guys for all your comments and engagement. Loving it. So basically, let's go ahead and talk about your AI project ideas. We want to make sure that you're set up. This is what interests you as an entrepreneur, and you want to be able to show that off to maximize your value when you're working on collaborations, et cetera, et cetera. Also, really enhancing your bottom line as a business and really gaining more clientele by maximizing efficiencies. You're looking at really, okay, again, kind of highlighting chatbot systems, AI dashboards, and of course, machine learning models. And what kind of makes this a little bit different? Chatbot systems can be used in many different ways, not only for customer service, but of course in any context for creating an AI-powered conversational infrastructure. So essentially, when we're speaking on the future of, well, I actually spoke with a startup, and essentially what they did was kind of build the future of work, which is essentially an AI chatbot system that's made to be a kind of co-pilot support agent for managers. So it's something different, something cool, but there's many different ways that those chatbot systems can be applied. So even when we're speaking on the future of work, or perhaps the future of healthcare, so imagine you not even having to go into the doctor's office. You have an AI bot that you can talk to that can bring you a solution for your healthcare needs. All right, let's summarize here. We're getting into AI dashboard, okay, design, data visualization, etc., and also providing predictive models for specific applications. All right, you guys, I'm going to kind of get through the sauce so we can get to the career path planning. So if you guys have any questions, tap it in so we can cover all your essential questions. So we want to make sure that we're understanding bias in AI. Okay, ethical AI, we're standing for that. And so we're starting off with data collection. We need to understand that there's going to be, or it's going to be subject to bias in training data that can lead to, of course, biased AI models. So we want to make sure that we are remembering this because AI also hallucinates. Then AI makes mistakes too. It's not perfect quite yet. Model training, we're looking at, of course, bias that could be amplified during the learning process. So sometimes different model sets reflect bias. So, for example, the healthcare system reflects certain biased data, et cetera, et cetera. So we don't want to use the biased data to make inaccurate conclusions and therefore not optimal solutions. And for our output, we want to make sure that biased outcomes are not going to affect our decision-making and fairness process. We want to make sure that everything is fair, and we also want to make sure that we're implementing and incorporating data-backed decision-making. And so when we're getting into ensuring privacy and security in AI systems, of course, we're looking at GDPR compliance, where AI systems are going to adhere to data protection laws. We're looking at data anonymization, which is really going to focus on user privacy and anonymizing sensitive information, and of course, secure infrastructures. So perhaps if the cybersecurity, we had some comments before, really say that cybersecurity is their thing, then most definitely follow these different frameworks, because this is going to be key. You can really contribute to making our nation, making our world more secure. So for AI powered business models, I want to make sure I cover all the options for you so you're in understanding of the different type of business models. So we're looking at SaaS products, which are really kind of focused on, as you guys have already seen, different AI driven marketplaces. This is huge. A lot of startups are SaaS based. We also have predictive and analytics tools, of course. This is with automated decision systems, and also AI enhanced services that are really going to be focusing on, as you guys already know, machine learning platforms. Robert says, there goes the jobs for physicians. I will say that we shouldn't be fearful of AI coming and taking over everything, taking our jobs, taking our, I believe that the future is very bright due to the potential of collaboration. So AI in more of an agent, an assistant context, a collaborator. You can really, really use AI to build better systems, to build a better future and a better world. So we have to, be temperate about that while also aligning with ethics and morals, which is very, very important. So we can't just let everything go awry. We're so close, I like to say, to a dystopia or a utopia. I believe 100% in a utopia in a positive context. I believe in a better world, but we're all going to have to come together to build that. And we can with AI. AI itself is a appreciating asset. I'm sorry, not appreciating, depreciating asset. So that means that it's at a lower price point than ever. So that also means that there are so many systems that you can use, that you can build upon, that you have access to for free or at the lowest cost. So, we got to take advantage of that. And so if we're looking into the corporate side, I want to make sure that we're covering different industries and just all your options. So of course we have AI in finance. So, for all you finance buffs out here that you were tuning in, all right, listen up. This could be for algorithmic trading. You guys already know about this: data analysis, decision making, portfolio optimization, et cetera, et cetera. You've already heard it. So also fraud detection, it speaks for itself, protection analysis, and efficiency. So let's kind of get into it. We also have AI enhanced customer service in finance. We already kind of spoke on how this symbiosis is involved, but let's go ahead and cover, chatbots, virtual assistants, and also voice AI. So we're looking at not only personalized advice, we're looking at 24/7 support, we're looking at natural conversations that are almost indistinguishable from real life, and there's so many benefits. So it can provide instant responses, improved experiences, and at the end of the day, more efficient problem solving. There's a lot of problems out there, but AI can solve them. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and breeze through this. AI diagnostics in healthcare. We're looking forward to a healthier, happier world. We're looking at improved accuracy, early detection, and of course, cost reduction. All speaks for itself. And also, when you're getting into AI healthcare careers, we're looking into AI healthcare consultants. So if you're interested in advising on implementing AI solutions in a healthcare setting, if you yourself are into healthcare, if you want to, be able to build more well-being in our society, then you could also do that as well. That's an option to you. You can either be a AI, healthcare consultant or a medical data analyst, which essentially just analyzes, large data sets, et cetera, et cetera. This is going to help improve medical research and, of course, decision making. All right, this speaks for itself. Okay, it's going to optimize it by diagnostics, treatment planning, outcome monitoring. We want to make sure that we're covering every facet. Okay, AI and treatment plans, it speaks for itself. Okay, so everyone is here right now that's looking to lead the AI evolution and revolution. What you guys are going to gain today is really hands-on experience. You're going to know where to go, where to pivot to. You're looking at industry insights. You're going to be able to stay ahead of all AI trends and market demands, and you're looking at a specific personalized career path plan for you to be optimally successful. So let's see, we got some comments here. Mr. CMD says, I used automation in a previous business I had. Love that. Keep it going. Keep using the automation. That's the future. And you're going to be able to really maximize your ROI and productivity. And so Quentin says, physicians are already using AI, and so should we. I've been in the room and seen it. Okay, Quentin, I love that, because you know what? Absolutely. And so I think that what really brings us to this table is that there's so much empowerment for our own healthcare decisions. So, instead of us having to rely on external systems, we could really be empowered with our own healthcare. And so that's important as well. So let's go ahead. Sorry, guys, getting a little call. All right, my time is dedicated here. We're going to finish up here, you guys. Okay. Okay, personalized AI career path plan. This is what you guys are going to get. This is what everybody is going to get for the W. You're going to get a personalized assessment, which is going to really evaluate your current skill sets and career goals. Again, this is for you and only you. So you're going to be able to get on the right path and get successful. So this is going to give you the roadmap that's going to really be tailored step by step for your career path plan. So for example, if you have already decided what path you want to take, if you're interested in, machine learning, data analytics, et cetera, then we can start there and pivot. Last but not least, resources. You're going to get recommendations for specific tools. So you're not going to be left out in the cold with where you should go. You're going to get step-by-step guidance. So this is really going to be helpful for not only giving you a essential network that you can build off of, professionals that you can work with, and additional resources, but also different learning materials that is really going to help you to make the decisions that's going to be what's best for you. You want to do what's best for you. Right? So if you are to take action today, if you are interested in getting into artificial intelligence, if you are interested in getting into tech, you have many options. One of your options is going to be to sign up immediately at the link below. If you are interested in getting into AI immediately for a specific quality engineering cybersecurity bootcamp, those specific career paths, then you're going to find the link below and you're going to tap into that and you're going to sign up immediately. Again, we know the future is accelerated. The future is now. You don't want to waste any time. We see how the future is going. If you're not in AI, if you're not taking that path, I don't know who. I think everybody here is here to win. So that's going to be the next step for you. If you're interested in really learning where to go when you're getting into AI, then definitely hit me up. You can schedule a consultation below. And if you're interested in consulting with me to see exactly what your strategic path that's going to be personalized to you is going to be, then we also have that option for you. We also have an exciting opportunity for everyone who's interested. If you're interested in the big bucks, if you're here to get the bag, if you're interested in tech sales, that's also a future option for you as well. So tap into the link below if you're interested in getting into tech sales. Let's cover a few of these questions here. So, Okay, Sirius says, what about AI cryptocurrency? Like, is there anything in AI building on Ethereum? Wow, Sirius, that's a great question. And I do believe that there is an AI component of Ethereum. I, am a personal investor, have been a personal investor in Ethereum. So I believe maybe perhaps, but I'm not really sure. That is a great question though. Also, Robert here, let's make sure we get to your question, Robert. So there are those jobs. We already covered that. Wait, let me scroll down. Robert says, dang, so you and Cyrus have a boot camp. How much does it cost? Or is it just a course? I want to be a data scientist. Okay, if you're interested in being a data scientist, schedule a consultation below. And if there's no consultation below, if there's no link that you see, then let me know so we can get that to you. But schedule a consultation so we can get you on the right path. But again, if you're interested in QA, quality assurance engineering, if you're interested in cybersecurity, tap in to get into the bootcamp that's already available to you. And also there's an upcoming exciting opportunity for AI tech sales. So if you're looking to get into the big bucks, that's where you're going to want to be. Mr. CMD says, agreed, things are moving fast. Absolutely. FYI, the link is broken, the Calendly is working, but the other is failing. Okay. All right, some technical difficulties. So thank you so much, Admas. Thank you so much for letting me know. Can you clarify what the other link? I believe that's the bootcamp link, because we got to make sure we get that fixed. If it's the bootcamp link, let me know. If not, I'm happy to send you guys any new links. And so I wanted to go ahead and open it up to you guys now, because this is the time for questions. So if you have any questions for me, essentially, if you're interested in getting started with signing up, that's an option to you. You can claim your bonus, which is going to be a major discount. So you're not going to, you're going to be set up to win at the very start. So if you sign up now, if you sign up today, you're going to get access to the discounts. I want to make sure that I get you guys the link. So if you don't see it, let me know so we can get you saving some money and getting you into tech and AI. So you're going to really be able to transform your career, really fast track it, and get into the world of AI. And so go ahead, you guys, don't be shy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And so this is some benefits that you could expect when you're working directly with me. So if you're interested in a one-on-one, this is basically just a complimentary call. So we're looking at 30 minutes of coaching for your career path plan. And of course, this is, for a limited time offer. However, when we get into the specific career path plan process, and so if you become a client, then you also get many different other benefits that are going to include not only lifetime access to me, so you're going to be able to call me, you're going to get exclusive access to me, so priority access we call it. And so if you have any questions, you're going to get first email, first call back, first text back, etc. So you're going to be guided every step of the way. Not only that, but you're also going to get exclusive discounts, of course, for future career services. And upfront, it's just going to be a long-term ROI. And so we're also looking at the bootcamp discounts as well. So you guys that are all here, you guys get exclusive discounts. So you guys should have access to that. So click either of the links. Scheduling, again, a consultation with me is free. And I want to make sure that I leave you guys off with the most value possible. So, there's a few people here. Let's go ahead and talk about the future. What are your concerns? What are your questions? And let's start off with what excites you guys most about the future? Let me know. Let me know down below. Don't be shy. Tap in. And so I understand that it's a Wednesday afternoon. So so what I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys with is, okay, Desmond, thank you, Desmond. He says, I don't see the bootcamp link currently. Oof, we can't have that. Let's, let me get you guys the link because we need to make sure that you can sign up for the bootcamp. Okay, so I'm gonna personally send you guys a link in the chat. Okay, let's see here. Okay, all right. Okay, perfect. So I just sent the link, you guys. So if you're interested in the bootcamp, there it goes. What you'll basically do is just book a consultation. It's upfront, free, and of course, the bootcamp itself has helped thousands get into tech. This is the best bootcamp on the market, and so not only are you going to gain the essential skills that you're going to need within QA or cybersecurity, but you're also going to get that AI enhancement. So you're going to be able to pivot in almost any career field. So definitely tap into the link. It should be now in the chat, so you can check that out. Robert says full immersion VR. Yes. So earlier we asked exactly what you're most excited about. What you're excited about for the future. And so full immersion VR is super, super exciting because it's blurring the line between fiction and reality. So these glasses are taking you ever closer to that. I can't lie. Ever since I went Nova X, I never went back. I don't even want to look at a screen anymore. This is plug and play not only to your laptop, but also to your phone. So you can really take it anywhere and you can just kind of plug and play. And so if you're a gamer, you can plug and play and game. If you're a computer programmer, if you're in tech, obviously we know that multiple screens are typically necessary. And so you can have that access to a huge screen and it changes everything. And honestly, you never really have to go to a movie or a cinema ever again because you literally have it at home. You'll have movies at home with Nova X. So yeah, I love that. Thank you, Robert. So Mr. CMD says, I like that AI is making repetitive tasks, so like optimizing everything. It's making life easier for us, isn't it? Thank you so much. I appreciate that because you know what, you are so right. Okay, we have some comments here. So you guys don't see a link. Okay, let me try again. You guys. We can't. Okay, this is gonna be in the chat. And okay, I'm sending it now, and it's good. It's in the chat. So it should be under Tech is the New Black and under Ash. Let me know if you guys don't see it. I'm not sure. Maybe it's some technical difficulties. Maybe we have to look into it later. If not, though, just feel free. You could also hit me up. I'm not sure what's going through right now. So I want to make sure you guys can connect with me if necessary. If you want to connect directly, what I'm going to do is include my LinkedIn. So give me a second here and I'll include my LinkedIn. But in the meantime, let me know what you guys are most excited about for the future. And so Robert says you have 2 companies, Ash. Yes, two little baby startups. They are simply startups, but yes, We are definitely building one on the AI side and one on the wearable technology side. So this is super, super exciting because number one, again, you guys are the first to see this in the US. Like no one's seen this before besides the people that are like tuning in right now or the people that tune into these streams. So you guys are literally getting a first glimpse at the future. So let me go ahead and get you guys my LinkedIn so we can connect with me on LinkedIn. Let's not forget that. Okay. Okay, thank you, Mr. CMD, for confirming that the link is in the chat. Okay. Okay, so now it's working. Now that we know that it's working, I want to make sure that I'm getting you guys my LinkedIn. So here it comes. Here it comes and launched. LinkedIn launched in the chat. Please connect. Okay, you guys. And so everyone being here, everyone that's here right now is a winner. I hope that you found value from this presentation. And if you are interested in really learning more, if you're not really sure where to pivot to, then I'm happy to help. Cyrus is also here to provide the bootcamp options for you. So you can get that solidified education that you're going to need. I also want to reward you guys with another exclusive access point. So if you guys are interested, if you guys think the Nova X glasses are cool, if you guys want a pair, you guys literally have first access to it. So I'm including the link right now. This link that's coming up into the chat, this is betterboost.co. This is where you're going to sign up for our notices. And so we're basically doing Founders Club notices, the people that are really interested in being first adopters to trying this technology, to really being the people that are going to have it first in their hands. Or also, when you become a Founders Club member, you also get exclusive access and benefits by getting not only access to the latest technology, but future discounts. So this is only the beginning. This is just the beginning. There's so much more advancements because at the end of the day, the Better Boost business model is that we're only going to get better. Our slogan is boost your confidence, feel better than ever at Better Boost. So yeah, we're really engineering products that are really built to empower you. So we're trying to change the game as a little baby startup. So Admas, thank you for your comment. He says, I just found your channel this week. I didn't know you teach QA. That's what I do also. I teach automation. You guys' site looks awesome. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, you guys. Well, we're about to close down the presentation, and I hope that you guys found a lot of value for it. So without further ado, guys, tap in your questions. Tap in your questions. We're here. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you guys secure the win. So if you have any questions, let me know. So Mr. Commander says, peace and blessings. Peace and blessings to everyone that is here today. May everyone here today be blessed, maybe prosper in everything that we do, maybe win over and over and over for all eternity. Thank you. All right, everyone. Any questions? Let me know. Let me know. Tap them down. We got a few more minutes. I'm going to stay until 8. I'm going to stay until 8 p.m. for you guys. So tap into the comments, questions. If you guys have any questions about tech, okay, Mr. CMD taking action says I connected with you on LinkedIn. Perfect. Love to connect you guys. Love to connect. If you haven't already, connect with me. If you haven't already, take the first step to get into tech. Waste no more time. The future is here. So yeah, absolutely. So Miss Reed says, can you post the link again? Okay, so which link is this? Which link are we posting again? Let me know. If you clarify, I'm happy to provide it to you. Tap in, let me know. Whether it be the bootcamp link, I'm happy to provide that with you. My LinkedIn link, et cetera. Let me know. So yeah, you guys, most definitely. If there are any questions about how you guys can get into tech, we're also happy to cover that. Other than that, I do want to give you guys confidence that there is a better future ahead. And so everyone that's here, again, like you're positioned to be winners, you're already winners. And so most definitely looking forward to building a better, brighter future with all of you. And so if there's any way that I could also maybe help your business with either AI automation or perhaps offering AI solutions, then let me know. Essentially, some of our AI services include not only AI automation, but AI avatar services. So if you're a creator, if you're a business owner, obviously production takes so much time and money, cost, et cetera, et cetera. If you want to make sure that you can replicate yourself and really have an AI avatar that can operate on your behalf, that can communicate with your customer base, client base, et cetera, we can make that for you. We can make almost any AI solution for you. So Mr. CMB says, yes, I work in tech, but looking to pivot for a fully remote position and higher pay. Absolutely. So if you are interested, if you're money motivated, again, get into tech sales. Get into tech sales, tap in the link, speak with a consultant, let them know. If you drop my name, they should give you an exclusive discount. So don't forget to do that. If you tap in, if you call them and you want to schedule a consultation with a career expert, just drop my name and they'll give you an exclusive discount. So don't forget that. And also, we have, okay, Miss Reed, I got you. Okay. So let me go ahead and get you the link. Let me get you guys the link ASAP. I'm posting the link again, you guys. This is the link where you want to tap in to schedule your conversation and meeting with a career expert. Again, drop my name when you tap into the link, drop my name when you schedule, and they're going to give you an exclusive discount. That's all you got to do. And so you'll get the exclusive. So I'm hoping that I provided you guys with maximum value and maximum exclusive access. So if you enjoyed this video call, then most definitely connect with me. I'm looking forward to that. And also, if you are interested in connecting directly with Cyrus, he's on LinkedIn, he's on IG. You can find him at Cyrus Harbin. He's helped thousands of people get into tech. So if you're interested in really also kind of getting some expertise from somebody who's in the field, tap in with Cyrus. He's a great connection. So we're going to be doing a lot of things together. We're going to be building a lot of things together. And we also want to be able to build alongside of everyone and collaborate with you guys as well to really create optimal solutions for the world. So if you need to find a solution, we're here to help. So okay, Robert, thank you so much. The link works. What's going on? I don't even know, but we got you guys the link. I hope that you guys are able to access it. And so without further ado, we're probably going to conclude this course, you guys. This is the last minute to tap in. Any questions, or if you are unable to access any links, let me know. Thank you so much for being here. Love and blessings to everyone who is here on this chat, to all of your families, to all of your loved ones. And without further ado, wishing you success, prosperity, health, and wealth. All right, you guys. Mr. CMB says booking now. Love to hear that. Okay, you guys. Well, have a great rest of your Wednesday and best of luck and success in all that you do. Again, tap into the link before we close out. We're about to close out very, very soon. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you next Saturday for Tech News. All right. Bye, guys.